Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create talking AI avatars in HeyGen in 2026. So if you want to turn a photo or AI character into a realistic speaking avatar for YouTube, TikTok, or business videos, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, log into HeyGen and open AI Studio from your dashboard. So this is where all avatar creation tools are located. Next, click Create Video. This is the starting point for making any talking AI avatar video. So yeah, select your avatar type. You can choose a stock AI avatar or upload your own photo to create a custom talking avatar. Now either pick a ready-made avatar or upload a clear front-facing photo. Make sure the image is high quality for better lip sync results. So yeah, type or paste your script into the text box. This is what your AI avatar will speak. Next, choose a voice and language. HeyGen supports multiple voices so your avatar can sound natural and professional. So yeah, customize background, subtitles, and layout. This helps make your talking avatar video look more polished. Now click Generate. HeyGen will process your script and turn your avatar into a fully speaking AI video with lip sync. Finally, preview your talking avatar video and download it in HD, so you can upload it directly to YouTube or any social platform. And that's how to create talking AI avatars in HeyGen in 2026. Once you understand avatars, scripts, and customization, you can create professional AI videos in minutes. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more tutorials. Hey everyone,